Good afternoon. It's October 7th, and I wanted to show something that's really important on your fig trees at this point going into winter. Is your fig trees really need to be hardened off. You don't want no green growth coming on your figs. And let me show you something. This tree right here is done very good at hardening off, and it's very well known that this tree doesn't like to harden off. It likes to grow and grow and grow. This is Smith. Now, if you have a tree that's wanting to grow and grow and grow, you need to pinch it to slow it down in early September. But you may, and if you need to do it now and you're getting green growth growing, 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 you need to shut that thing down. It may not have time to harden off, and you could always just clip the green off and try to root it. That's up to you. I've done that in the past too. But the most important thing is getting these things to harden off early. And in the past, I have pinched at that appropriate time to get them to harden off, and it did work. But this year, I did something different. I reduced my watering schedule a month early. So it is very dry in here. This floor has not been watered in about a week. Everything still looks good. There's plenty of moisture in the ground down under there, especially as well rooted as these figs are. I will probably give it one more light watering for the season, and that will be it. This year I've done something. I reduced my water more this year than I had the past year in the fall, and I started a little earlier of doing that, and my branches are hardened off a lot earlier this season. I didn't even have to come and tip. Sometimes you have to come and tip these things to make sure that they harden off, but this is Allier, and you can see it's well lignified. Let's see here. Here is white Madeira. As you can see, it's pretty well lignified all the way up. It's not still growing. So these are good characteristics. Let's walk back here. Everybody talks about, I got one more tree we're going to look at real quick. I want to show you that's hardened off. Here's yellow long neck right here. It's another grow tree, and you can see it's well hardened off. All of these in-ground trees are well hardened off this season, and they're hitting. This greenhouse is 12 foot tall. That's called a Nursery. It's almost to the top of the greenhouse there at 12 foot. So there's almost 8 foot of cuttings on that one branch there. Ain't that kind of neat? And there's a lot of figs on it up through there, but we've picked a lot of figs off of it, but it's well hardened off and ready for winter, even though we're going to cut them back before it freezes in here, because we will peel all these leaves off, and I'll show that when the time comes. So yeah, hardening off, it's really important to reduce your water schedule and really lighten up on your watering. It's where we harvest for fig leaf tea, and the petals just fall off now. But this is kind of what you need to be doing, reducing your water schedule and getting your trees to harden off for the winter times. Thanks for watching.